just came on here to chat with you guys. I was going to tell y'all about my morning and just do my hair on camera. I'm currently trying to do my own butterfly locks. This is my first time doing them, so this is really not a tutorial, but I'm going to show y'all, at least me, or try to show y'all how to do it. But yeah, so I ordered this hair off of Amazon. It's called Una hair on Amazon. I don't know, I paid for this with my own money. It's not sponsored, not sent to me. I just bought some cheap crochet hair. I'll put in the description box what kind of wave this is, but I know this is not the wave that other people are using. But I'm taking just 2 separate pieces, putting them together, and I am going to fluff them out before I install them. But yeah, like I said, people on other videos were using like freetress. I think they said water wave. I don't know, I'm not really sure. But then I seen in the comments that people use like other crochet hair, so that's the only reason why I bought this hair. So just separate it, and I have my hair in braids. I gotta go get my crochet needle because I forgot it, so hold on. Okay, so I got my crochet needle already inserted in my braid. I'm gonna hook the hair, maybe. And pull it through. Oops. As you can see, this hair does like tangle up, but I really don't care. Pause it, thought. Okay, so now you're gonna take your hair and wrap it, well, not your hair, but the crochet hair, and wrap it 3 times at the top. And if you don't like a lot of tension, don't wrap it too tight, because you can feel these, you definitely can. And then you just start wrapping. I don't really know how to do the thumb part that well, so I just wrap sloppy, and then like the hooks will come on their own. I don't be trying to detangle the hair, I just wrap. As you can see, we got 1 loop up there. And make sure you're pulling your hair and the other piece of hair tight, otherwise your hair will show through. Just keep wrapping, just keep wrapping. I like that distressed look. But anyway, so you wrap all the way until you get your desired length. This one stops like right here, so you keep wrapping, and then you want to take the hair, do up and around, and just wrap back up. And I do this part sloppy too, so you can get more of that distressed look, as you can see. And if you don't know which way to wrap, just wrap it, like flip it and start wrapping. And if it's not the right way, it's gonna unravel. So then you'll know what to do it the other way. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. I just really came on here to tell y'all a story, but I wanted to show y'all what I was doing. Just because we haven't done like a hair tutorial, so that's what it looks like. And of course you could pull your own loops, so like you can get that butterfly effect. Okay, so we're on to the next one. Already got both two pieces already fluffed out. Y'all, I suck at using these crochet needles. I'll tell y'all that. Okay. And remember, wrap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Try to conceal my hair here some. Okay. Then start wrapping. Remember, the looser you wrap, the more distressed your lock is going to be. Doesn't look distressed right now, but that's okay. We'll get there. Make sure you pull this other piece that you're wrapping around tight. This hair is 18 inches, by the way. I did want them to be like actual 18-inch locks, but then, oh, I made this one too long. That's for me talking, but that's okay. Just remember, do your loop and then twist. But anyways, it's 18 inches. I'll put everything in the description box though. Gonna get ready to tell y'all my story, but we gonna go back in my room. So if you came here for the tutorial, that's where it ends. But hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, okay? Oh, and subscribe. Turn your little notification bells on. Okay, so let's go back to my room. Okay, y'all, so this morning I woke up and my mom was like literally screaming. Like, I thought she was dying. So I get up and I run to the living room and I see like some rustling on my window blinds, and then out of nowhere like a cat starts climbing up my blinds. And my mom is yelling and she's saying that this stray cat from outside came into the house and she's been trying to get him out. He ran into the laundry room. He was trying to run up them blinds. He destroyed them blinds. Then he ran back in the living room and he was trying to escape through the front window and tore up them blinds. So I'm just looking crazy at this point because, I don't know, just imagine waking up from your sleep and seeing a cat climbing up your blinds and literally destroying them, and you don't have a cat. So yeah, so the cat runs under my couch and literally would not come out. So I grabbed the broom and I was like hitting my couch. He did not move. So I was looking under the couch and I could see him like laying down. So my mom lifted the couch up and I was trying to sweep him out. Like, we opened the door and I was trying to sweep him out from under the couch, but he wouldn't move. And eventually I had to poke him until he came out. And then he ended up coming out eventually. But still, this morning was just so ghetto. Like, it was the weirdest morning that I've ever experienced. And I don't know. And like, my dog was in the garage with the leash around his neck because my mom was trying to take him out. And then, the cat ended up getting in, so she didn't get to take him out. And when I went to grab the broom, I'm just looking at him like, what kind of dog are you? Because this is your job, but whatever. So that's my little cute story for the day. I just had to tell somebody because this will only happen to us. Like a whole stray cat came into my house uninvited and wouldn't leave and destroyed my blinds. Like we have to get new blinds. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. More videos coming soon. Drop what you want to see next as far as like hair tutorials. It could be wigs, braids, anything. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and turn your notifications on. Okay, I'm out. I forgot to show y'all, this is the final look. They came out super cute. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.